Survey Junkie uses screener surveys to match users with available research studies, which means you may answer questions before qualifying for paid surveys. By the end, you'll know how Survey Junkie works, why screeners matter, and what to consider before spending your time on the platform in 2026. Survey Junkie is an online survey platform where users share opinions through market research studies. The platform connects companies and researchers with consumers who provide feedback about products, services, and experiences. The main feature people notice is the screener survey process. Before you access many paid surveys, Survey Junkie may ask questions to check whether you fit the requirements for a specific study. These questions help companies find participants with certain characteristics or experiences. A screener does not always lead to a paid survey. If your answers do not match the requirements, you may not qualify for that particular study. This is common across survey platforms because researchers are usually looking for specific groups of participants. The best way to use Survey Junkie is to complete your profile accurately. Your profile information helps the platform identify surveys that may match your background. You should also read the survey details before starting. Check the estimated time, requirements, and reward information so you can decide whether the survey is worth completing. Survey Junkie works differently from a regular job. The platform does not provide guaranteed hours or a fixed schedule. The number of available surveys depends on your profile, location, and current research demand. Some users may find frequent opportunities, while others may see fewer surveys. The screener process can feel frustrating when you spend time answering questions and do not qualify. However, the purpose of screeners is to prevent researchers from collecting responses from people who do not match the study requirements. Before committing your time, test how often you qualify and compare the effort required with the rewards you receive. If you enjoy sharing opinions and want a flexible way to participate in market research, Survey Junkie may be worth trying. If you need predictable income or guaranteed work, survey platforms may not match those expectations. The main points are simple. Survey Junkie uses screeners to match users with studies, qualification depends on your profile and the survey requirements, and your results depend on how many opportunities are available to you. Your next step is to create a profile, complete the information accurately, and track whether the surveys you qualify for are worth your time. If this helped you understand whether Survey Junkie is worth the screener surveys in 2026, like the video and subscribe for more practical online earning reviews.